Hello my little love bugs, welcome back to my channel. Today we are grubbing down on some McDonald's. I have a lot to tell you guys. Let's get it in because your girl is starving. We have the buttermilk crispy tenders. I never tried them before, so I'm excited to try. We have a quarter pounder with cheese, some fries, and a McChicken. So let's get it in. Take those out of there. Oh, and I'm drinking some Sprite. I feel like presentation time, is all done or whatever. I feel like this is making my lighting off. It's like not cooperating today. My lighting. I don't know. Guys, you really know the deal. Starving. We're gonna talk a little. We're gonna, we're gonna do a little bit of both. I don't know why today anyway, how are my little love bugs doing? Did I say hello, my little love bugs? I don't know. It's been a sweet and sour. You gotta have a sweet and sour. It's been a crazy couple of days. You guys are not going to believe it. But they broke my windshield wiper again, guys. Like full on, the same one, the driver's side. It hasn't even been a month since I fixed it. They freaking broke it again. Like a dummy, I bought the freaking camera and I didn't install it yet. But I know it's nothing personal towards me, because there was actually a sign where I live saying that there was someone going around doing this to multiple cars in the neighborhood. So report it to the precinct, blah, blah, blah. So at least I know it's nothing towards me personally. That's just bright, guys. Oh my god, destroyed that McChicken. Oh, the McChickens are so good. Yeah, so at least I know it's nothing personal, like, towards me. My sister said it's probably a... Yes, I have hot sauce, guys, for my tenders. Let me taste it without first. Okay, Mickey D's, I see you. Those are full of flavor. They're bomb. That is good. So yeah, my sister's house. It's probably like a company like that fixes like windshields and wipers and stuff in the neighborhood, trying to get money, like trying to get people to go and fix it. You know what I'm saying? But when I tell you guys how frustrating it was when I saw that for the second time. The first time it happened was, I think it was May 12th. So guys, we're not even at June 12th for it to be a month. And it happened again. I can't even begin to explain like how frustrated I was. I had a meltdown. I started crying. Then I started laughing. So I literally looked crazy. I love quarter pounders. They're so good. Yeah, I was just then I was like, you know what? There's bigger stuff going on. It could have been a lot worse. You know what I'm saying? I've learned in life, you have to look at things through the rose-colored glasses. Is that the saying? Because if not, you're just gonna literally drive yourself nuts, and you're just gonna be a sourpuss, excuse-moi. So I was like, you know what? It's okay. I'm gonna let this bum have that, okay? Because that's what they are. Whoever is doing this to all these cars, you are a bum. You do not go around vandalizing other people's property, especially when they work super duper hard for it. Like, no, get out of my face. So I'm gonna let them have that. But your girl went and took action. I went under my research, found out where I could install the camera, installed the camera in my car, okay? Got it installed. Put up an amazing sign in my car. So now that I park it, now when I park it, I put this staring at me in the front, like, you know, well, I don't know if they have this anywhere else, but in New York, when you park on a meter, they give you a ticket and you gotta put the ticket in your windshield, you know, inside. So now, every time I leave my car parked, I put this sign in the windshield, and it's a nice little, basically like a warning. Because you see, I'm not that mean of a person. I'm trying to warn you that now my car is recording you. So if you do something to my car again, motherfucker, excuse me, Mom. I'm gonna catch you. And when I catch you, it's not gonna be pretty. At least I'm nice enough to give you a warning, you know? Like, hey, don't vandalize this car, because if you vandalize this car, you're gonna be caught on camera. Honestly, it even sucks that I have to go to that extreme, because I feel like I shouldn't have to. There's no need to. We're all grown adults. You shouldn't be vandalizing someone else's property. Like, come on. Whoever you are. Whether you're an adult, if you're a stupid teenager doing it, whoever you are, just cut the shit, bro. Cut it out. Anywho, moving on. So, I've been running around. I literally have I've been driving to work, constantly looking at the weather app, because I have to make sure it doesn't rain when I'm driving. Because if it rains, I'm screwed. I can't see. So, and it sucks because these days have been like, it's been raining, like unexpectedly. Like, it says no rain in the weather app, and then a thunder shower comes. I'm like, oh my God. But thank God, I'm okay. I haven't been caught. I'm gonna get my windshield wiper fixed tomorrow. The camera's installed already, so I'm good. And we've been running around for my niece's baptism. It's been crazy, which is Saturday. It's just been crazy. But how are you, my little love bugs? I love hot sauce and ranch together on some chicken. Look at that. Sorry, guys. It's that time where people come home and stuff. Yeah, another deal. So I watched, I don't know if you guys have watched it yet, on Netflix, this documentary called When They See Us. It's about the Central Park 5 case that happened back in 1989. If you guys have not gone and watched it, I recommend you go and watch it. It is amazing. I watched it in one night. It's a 4-part series. And each one I think is about an hour and a half. It's crazy. I never knew about that case. Obviously, it happened in 1989. I was born in 1992, so. But never heard about this case until this documentary came out. And I just heard in the news that it was like pissing everyone off and like bringing up old emotions. So when I Googled the case, first, and just reading everything, I was like, holy crap. The documentary was even more sad. I was literally crying from beginning to end. Actually, not just crying, it's a roller coaster of emotions. Okay? Literally. You're mad because you're mad for them. Like, you feel like you want to do something. And then you're sad because it breaks your heart to see these young, innocent kids, because that's what they were. Kids. Like, be coerced and, like, the cops told them to lie. Like, it's crazy. It's just, it was just amazing. Like, in my head I was thinking, can you imagine how it feels like to be blamed for something you didn't do? Not only just blamed, having them make you confess for something you didn't do. Like, make up a whole story. It was just crazy. Please, 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 if you have Netflix, definitely check it out. It's so eye-opening, like, and trust me, I'm sure this stuff is still going on. Like, can you imagine how many cases? This is just a case that came to our eyes, like, that came to light. Can you imagine how many other cases go unheard of, unthought of police falsely accusing people, planting stuff, like all of that. It's crazy. I get so upset watching these documentaries and stuff because, you know, you don't want to believe that everyone's like that, you know? But when you hear, like, time and time again, like, all these stuff coming out, you're like, come on, bro. Like, can we get a break? Like, something, you know? But there's good and bad in everyone. So, I'm definitely going to check it out. You won't regret it. I want to say so much more, but I don't want to give it away. I was actually, when I was watching it, I asked my mom about it. And she remembered. She remembered about the case. It was called the Central Park 5. And she was like, yeah, I remember. It had to do with 5 boys from Harlem. 5 young kids from Harlem. So, it was just crazy. And she was telling me, like, when it came out in the news, how like big of a story it was, and all this. It was crazy. I'm full. I hate maturity everything, guys. Alright, my little love bugs. Don't forget, give this video 2 big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to join the fam bam. And until next time, remember, let's spread positive vibes, good laughs, and yummy eats. Peace.